Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. First of all, you want to go and open up the settings. Here scroll down and look for the apps category. At the apps category, locate the default apps section, go for it. Here choose the browser app and select Opera, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser, as you can see right here. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, gear icon, that basically forwards you to the settings menu. Here scroll down and locate the default browser section, tap on it, click on next, select Opera just by tapping on it and choose set as default, and that will also mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.